What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry question, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to show you how many different ways can you arrange the letters of the word baby. So we have how many letters in total? We have 4 factorial, and as you see here b is repeating twice, so I need to divide it by 2 factorial. So it's going to be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1. So these two cancel out. It's just going to be 4 times 3, and that's going to be 12, which will be like A, B, B, Y, A, B, Y, B, A, Y, B, 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 A, B, Y, B, A, Y, B, 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 A, Y, B, B, Y, A, B, Y, A, B, B, Y, B, A, Y, A, B, B, Y, B, A, B, and Y, B, B, A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are 12 different ways to arrange the letters of the word baby. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description. In case you need extra help, you can just take a look to the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.